every 3 years from elementary school, you have a 6 month freedom discussion, because that's going to change as people grow involved, right? Like I am going to spend the rest of my life and I'm going to make $1 billion in Bitcoin. Like that's my goal. I want to make $1 billion. I will deploy every penny back into fixing this train wreck we have. And that's the only reason I want to get rich from this. Otherwise, I would just be quiet. But the way I do things, see, this is like I come into a space and I'm like, I'm in, dude. Let's go. I want more. I want to be more involved. I want to meet more people. Because for me, it's exciting. Like it's fun.
Bitcoin is a digital currency capable of transforming various industries, especially in the technology sector. By leveraging blockchain technology, Bitcoin enables new economic activities by eliminating intermediaries and trusted entities from networks. In his latest video interview, financial influencer and crypto enthusiast Gary Cardone explains why Bitcoin is worth investing in now, highlighting its potential to guarantee financial freedom. Cardone, the co-founder and CEO of Chargebacks 911, brings over 30 years of experience in energy, capital investments, real estate, and e-commerce. He discusses how Bitcoin's limited supply, immunity to inflation, and resistance to government influence make it a reliable long-term store of value. These characteristics make Bitcoin a favored option among investors seeking a decentralized asset. Cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, appeal to those concerned about bank failures, hyperinflation, or other catastrophic situations due to their censorship-resistant and deflationary properties. This further enhances their attractiveness as investment options. Watch clips from the interview for further insights into Gary Cardone's conversation with Mr. M. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications for more content like this. Enjoy the video.
I think it's going to continue to be a violent ride because there's too many weird people holding really cheap Bitcoin. By weird, I mean, I don't think they've really entered the real world. And like, I would love to meet with any and all of them. I'm not the enemy to them, but I hear people saying I am never going to sell my Bitcoin. I think I can turn people around on that in 15 minutes. Okay, this is not cool that you don't want to sell your Bitcoin. I need $1 billion to fight with these people, bro. Like if you have $400 million, call me, okay? I'll show you how we can just monsterly make change. As a group of people with a load of money, I get on a private jet, grab a couple of people, grab Kathy Woods, and we go to Washington. Everyone will listen to us, okay? Give a little money to some of these politicians that are doing something we don't want to do. You have to look at the enemy, okay? The enemy is playing this game very, very well. For us to sit there and go, I'm holding on to my Bitcoin. I'm going to stay in a third world country with 2G, no air conditioning. I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. And you're like, dude, you're sitting on $400 million and it's doing nothing. You're not advancing society. You ain't doing it. Oh, okay, cool. El Salvador would be a great place. I think that's a great experiment, but like, let's go move to Turkey and do it. Turkey needs Bitcoin. I think Turkey goes, dude. I keep saying for a year and a half, Turkey is going to put Bitcoin on its balance sheet. Why? Because the guy is screwed, dude. He's in the middle of Storm Alley. He's NATO's little okay, but he needs all the European energy, the Asian energy, the Middle Eastern energy. He doesn't really, dude, he's in such a bizarre place, right? He's just boxed in from every angle. The United Kingdom's in a similar position. I think good 40 or 50% of the people go to work every day just to get the out of their house. Okay. Like COVID was a problem. Like married couples. I don't care how cool you are as a married couple, but I ain't hanging around anybody for 24 hours a day, dude. Like it's hard enough to hang around with myself for 24/7. Okay. I have enough little things to deal with. But if we go back to the freedom thing, you're in a game and you're having fun. You're laughing. I have always looked at this as a game. I mean, I was with my brother the other day and I said, hey, bro, if we went back in time, like, would you just chase the money or just do what you do? He said, I would absolutely chase the money. I would go to work on Wall Street. I wouldn't have done what I did.
Gary Cardone emphasizes the importance of being smart, strategic, and informed when it comes to investing in Bitcoin and encouraging people to think critically about their investments and to take action in a way that aligns with their values and goals. With cryptocurrency, you may directly own and manage your assets, giving you a sense of independence. Because cryptocurrency doesn't require middlemen like traditional investments do, it's a more efficient and economical choice. With cryptocurrency, you may invest in a limitless, borderless, 7-days-a-week global market. It would be best to have a sizable sum of cryptocurrency to be a serious gamer. However, some people are unaware of the potential of cryptocurrency. They believe it is valuable to act as a middleman and charge for introductions, but this is untrue. Middlemen will be forced out of the system by blockchain technology since it is no longer economically feasible. Cryptocurrencies provide diversification and high return possibilities. Investing in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin allows you to diversify your risk and possibly generate larger returns than conventional investments. Compared to traditional assets, it is a more dependable investment because transactions are safe and openly documented. With cryptocurrency, you can directly own your assets and invest in a worldwide market. Let's go back to the interview and watch more clips to gain insights from Gary Cardone.
If you tell me Bitcoin's worth that much and then you go, you only own 30? Bro, something's wrong with that theory. You either not as rich as you said you were. Like, I don't get that, okay? Like, he should be saying, I own at least 300 if he's such a player. I've never written a book. I own way more than 300. I mean, my goal is to own 1,000. That is my goal. See, now I have a game. I got to get 1,000. How do I get 1,000? It's a problem that I get to solve. Anyway, if you cannot define the value that your company brings, you need a new job. And by the way, the value isn't being a middleman and clipping a fee, taking a fee for an introduction. That is not value. Okay, that's parasitic, and it's going away. All the middlemen are going away, dude. Blockchain or no blockchain, all the middlemen are going away because the economics will force the middlemen out of the system. We cannot afford it anymore. So those are cool things. What is freedom? Am I free? What value am I delivering? And what value is the company I'm working for delivering? If you can't be clear on those two last answers, you need a new job, a new role, a new theater upon which you dress on the stage and you play a role in this act we call living on planet Earth. It's just a theatrical event, man. If we look at it that way, it's just, okay. And just to get back to this thing, most people should not run their own businesses, okay? You guys, you can get rich without owning your own business. I just sold a $2.5 million house and I bought Bitcoin with it. This question is going to open up so many doors. Some of you men that are alpha dogs, you go home and you ask your wife, what do you think of investing in Bitcoin? Knock it off, dude. Why are you asking someone that knows nothing about big finance what a Bitcoin's worth or whether you should do it? Like, why would you ask someone that knows nothing about business? She has no vote, dude. My wife has no vote on the investment thesis. I don't ask her. Well, I don't have one anymore. But I don't ask her. I don't ask what her opinion is. It's not her domain. It is my domain. And if I fuck it up, I'm going to have to go out and fix it. So, and I'm not saying that you guys don't go gamble. There's a lot of you degenerate gamblers that are telling your wife you're a trader and you ain't making any money. Okay, I'd love to get you guys on the phone because you're not making any money trading $12,000 and trading $50 spreads, maybe in Dubai where you're no taxes. But if you're in the US and you're listening to Rand trade Meki coin, he has no tax exposure or legal exposure of any type, but an American citizen is going to pay 42% tax on that trade. So he has to double Rand's position to even break even with Rand. So you see what's happening? I mean, people don't even understand that, dude. Like there's just so much to do. But the freedom thing really will help clarify a lot.
Unlike fiat currencies, which can be subject to geopolitical decisions and central bank policies, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network. This decentralization can protect individuals and organizations from the volatility and manipulation often associated with fiat currencies. As evidenced by MicroStrategy's continued investment, Bitcoin can offer a more stable and autonomous financial alternative. This autonomy and resilience make Bitcoin a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom, as Gary Cardone proved, by allowing individuals to circumvent traditional financial systems and their inherent risks. As we conclude, what are your thoughts on this interview? Do you agree with Gary Cardone on his concept of freedom? Please drop your thoughts in the comments below, share this video, and hit your thumbs on the like button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.